Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to fix Prizepicks deposits not working. So if you have got this problem, there are a few ways how to fix this. So if you have this problem, there are a few ways what you can do. So first of all, you need to check your payment method. Ensure your credit or debit card or bank account has sufficient funds. If you are using a card, make sure it hasn't expired or been blocked for online transactions. Try using different payment methods. For example, you can use PayPal, bank transfer, or another card. So if everything is good with your payment methods, you can go on the second step. You need to verify Prizepicks payment restrictions. Some banks block the gambling transactions, so you can call to your bank and ask them if they are restricting the deposits. You can use an alternative card or payment method. Let's go on another step. Ensure you are in a supported state. Prizepicks is not available in all US states. If you are in a restricted location, deposits may be blocked. Try using VPN if it's of course allowed, or contact support for clarification. You can also try to restart the app and device. You can close and reopen Prizepicks app, or you can just restart your phone or browser and try again. You can also clear the cache and cookies. So here's the instruction. You can go to your phone settings, then apps, find Prizepicks, select storage and clear the cache. You can do the same process if you're using the desktop version. You can also update the Prizepicks app. So if you tried all of these steps and if you still have got the problem, you can try to connect Prizepicks support. So if deposit still is not going through, contact Prizepicks customer support, visit their help center on their website, use live chat or email support for assistance. So that's how you can fix Prizepicks deposits not working. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.